Hello friends, today we shall study the fourth program of the series ICSE programs. The question is write a menu-based program to calculate the factorial and factors of a number. We have to find the factorial and factors of a given number using the concept of switch case. First, we have imported the classes belonging to IO package and the util package. Then we have created a class named factor factorial. The name of the class can be anything. There is no hard and fast rule in naming a class, but there are some convention which we must follow. The name of the class should be meaningful and it should commence with capital letter, which is not the rule, but it is the convention. Name of the class should commence with capital letter. Here we have taken a main function. As we know that all the application-based programs of Java must have a main function. Only in programs like applet we can skip the main function. So here is the main function: public static void main string ers. We all know the constituent of this main statement, so I am not repeating it. In the main function, we have created some variables. Here are some variables which we shall require later on. Then we have created an object in of scanner class. Why have we created an object of scanner class? Because it is this object we shall use for taking input from the user. To take input from the user, we will require some function. The function which belongs to the scanner class. So let us study the whole thing. First, I am generating a menu. First, system.println 1 factors of a number, 2 factorial of a number, and 3 enter a choice. That means when we run this program, when we execute this program, we will get this menu with 2 options. And then we shall be asked by the program to enter a choice. We can enter either 1 or 2 or something else. The choice which we enter will enter in the variable choice. Now we are commencing a switch case statement. Switch choice. Depending on the choice, the case will be executed. If choice is 1, then case 1 will be executed. If choice is 2, then case 2 will be executed. And if the choice is anything else, then the default case will be executed. In the default case, we are printing wrong choice. So let us study both the 2 situations. Case 1. In case 1, we are asking the user to enter the number which shall be stored in variable n. N is equal to in.nextInt. That means the number entered by the user is stored in variable n. Now what shall be printed? The factors R thing will be printed. For I is equal to 1, I less than n, I plus plus. We are executing a loop n times. So for example, if n is 20, then we are executing the loop from 1 to 20. And what we are doing? We are simply finding the fact. We are dividing the n, that means the number, by all the elements from 1 to 20. That means first 20 is divided by 1, then 20 is divided by 2, then 3, then 4, like till 20. All the number which gives the remainder 0, that means the number is fully divisible by that part. That means n is fully divisible by that particular number. We are printing those. For example, 20 divided by 1 is 0, so 20 will be printed, 1 will be printed. 20 divided by 2 is 0, 2 will be printed. 20 divided by 3 is not equal to 0, it will not be printed. 20 divided by 4, it will be printed. 20 divided by 5 will be printed. Then 20 divided by 10 will be printed. That means we are dividing the number with all the elements starting from 1 to itself. Wherever we get the remainder 0, those number we are printing. These are the factors of the number. And if our choice is 2, one more thing, here we have used a break statement. At the end of every switch statement, a break statement must be used, because otherwise there will be fall through. That means after the execution of case 1, case 2 will also be executed. In case 2, what we are doing? We are asking the user to enter the number and storing that number in variable n. Now we have to find the factorial of a number. So here is the logic, very simple logic. For I is equal to 1 to n, f is equal to f into I. That means we are multiplying the value of I with that of f. F has been initially initialized to a1. So it will be 1 into 1, then 1 into 2, then First 1 into 1, 1, then 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 4, like that. And at the end of the loop, the value is printed. Okay. Now let's run this.